Setting up a Salesforce and NetResults integration is straightforward and easy. You'll need to have a few credentials handy, plus the installation package. You can get this package by emailing customer success, and the package includes directions. Then you can set up your actual syncs in the platform itself. To get to the Salesforce integration page, hover over your email address. Select Integration Settings, Salesforce, Salesforce Integration Setup. The first thing you'll notice is the credentials that you have to enter: your username, your password, and your security token. Your Salesforce username needs to be a user with read access for all other users and read-write access on all other objects. You should also have the marketing user checked. You'll enter your password and your security token. Now we'll go through some of the options available on this page. The Syncs Enabled checkbox allows you to actually sync from NetResults to Salesforce or from Salesforce down to NetResults. Next is the Sandbox checkbox. You can safely ignore this unless you're working specifically with a Sandbox instance of NetResults. Next, using the Salesforce Group Edition. The Group Edition does not have a campaign object, so if you're using this edition, we skip the campaign object when syncing. Using Salesforce Person accounts. You can ignore this unless you're currently using a Salesforce Person account, and if you're not sure what it is, you can just skip it. Next, you can choose who gets notifications when a full sync is complete, and also any error notifications. You can add as many emails as you want, just ensure that they're separated by a comma between each one. The next option, when syncing contacts or leads from Salesforce, only sync records that have email addresses, is an optional checkbox that does exactly what it says. Sync only the lead score on a lead score change checkbox is an optional checkbox that does the following. Only the lead score will be updated when a contact's lead score is changed. Without this box checked, all mapped information about that contact will be synced up to Salesforce. The next two checkboxes give Salesforce or NetResults the ability to blank out fields in the other instance. For example, my contact in NetResults has a custom field of favorite dog with the value of pug. In my CRM, the field is blank. My contact record is modified, and on the next downsync, the favorite dog field is blanked out in NetResults because the favorite dog field is blank in my CRM. If you do not want the option to blank out fields in either direction, leave these boxes unchecked. Lastly, you can choose to sync Salesforce campaign members to a corresponding list in NetResults. There are two final options to type in at the bottom: a default last name and a default account name. If contacts or leads do not have a last name, it will throw an error and prevent syncs from occurring, as is true with the account name. You can put in a default value here to prevent any errors from happening. And there you have it. If you have any other questions about your Salesforce setup, iframes, field mappings, or any other questions at all, please reach out to customer success or check out our support documentation. Happy automating!